College life is busy, but what if a few moments of your free time could help you explore ways to earn some extra money? Your phone can be more than entertainment. It can also be a tool for learning new skills and exploring extra income opportunities. That's the idea behind 555 System, practical online training you can explore from your phone, at your own pace, in your free time.
You can start with 5 practical video lessons, completely free, designed to guide you step by step through the basics.
Your education comes first. 555 System is simply an optional activity to explore in your free time, outside your academic responsibilities. Participation is completely voluntary and separate from your mathematics courses, grades, assignments, and university requirements. The decision is entirely yours. Curious about what you could learn? Discover the 5 free lessons and decide for yourself. Click below to explore 555 System.